Do that again. What was that? What was you doing? Just now, making all that noise. What was you doing?
I wasn't making that noise.
What was you just doing? What was you doing? What was that?
That was that truck. That was this truck.
Oh. Make the noise. That's how that sound. How that sound? How it sound?
That was loud, man. I'm gonna get on another truck.
Okay. He don't like loud noises, so he make the loud noises. And he cover his ears.
Put your seatbelt on, man.
Huh?
Put your seatbelt on.
Put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, so you won't fly out.
Oh.
I'm gonna get in the back while you're driving, man. I'm gonna sit in the back.
I'm glad you know to put your seatbelt on when you get in the vehicle. Anything with 4 wheels is moving, or 2 wheels. 2 wheels don't have seatbelt, but that's all right. You can get some duct tape wrapped around you.
Then I actually put my seatbelt on, man.
Good boy.
Boat,